Hi lovely people, welcome to Learn Wit Hassan, and today I'm here to show you how you can create online radio for free in Ghana. Yes, online radio for free in Ghana without paying anything. You are not supposed to pay anything. It's for free, and everything that will help you grow your online radio is available to you for free. Without wasting my time, let's start by opening our browser here, and then let's go to the website by typing zeno.fm, and you will be greeted with this window. And here you have two options that you can use. You have get started at the bottom here, and then you have on the menu bar you have create option over there. So let's use that one. Now when you click on that create, you'll be given this form to fill, and here you are supposed to fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, and then password, and you confirm it. After that, you click on register. It's just simple as that. After you click on register, you will be sent a message to your email, the email address you provided. You will be sent a message there, and you open the email address and then verify that you are the owner of the email. So this is mine here, and here is the message I was sent, the verification message. And when you click on this, it will register, or it will verify, and you'll be sent back to the login page. But for me, I've already done mine, so there's no need for me to do it again. So let's go back, and then I'll click on login. So when you are done verifying your email address, you'll be sent back here, and you type in your email address, and then you type in your password, and you click on login. And you'll be logged in to your dashboard here. This is your dashboard. So at the left corner, at the left side here, you see dashboard, station, podcast, people, analytics, account, and then subscription. So now we are here to create our own online radio station for free. So let's go to the station tab, and then we click on add new station. After clicking on add new station, we are greeted with this form to fill. So here we are supposed to give the name of the station. We are supposed to type in the name of the station, and the name I'm using is Pink Flag Radio. This is the name I'm using, and here we are supposed to upload the logo here. So this is our logo, and when you click on it, you'll be sent to your system for you to upload a logo. So here are my pictures. So this will be my logo, and I've uploaded it, and it's okay. And after uploading the logo, the next option, or the next one you are supposed to do is to give the category, or the content type. Here we have children, college, comedy, a whole lot, music, and the rest. So for me, I will leave mine on general. Then organization type, here you choose whether it is NGO, hotel, whatever. But for me, it is professional internet radio, so I'll choose that one. And we go to the next one, which is organizational size, and I will choose less than 5. because I'm just starting. And your country, for me, I'm in Ghana, so I'll type in here Ghana, and I'll select Ghana here, and then you select your time zone here. For the time zone, I will select the universal one, which is this one, and after that you click on create. Now you can see our radio station is created here. Now we have our radio station here created. This is the radio station we have. So now the radio station is here, but we don't have anything on it. It's just there like that, so we have to do some little settings on it so that it looks professional. So this is what we do. You come here under settings, you click settings, and here you have the info, stations info, information about the station. Here you can add tags. So here, if you will play music, you can add music. Here you can add news. You can add whatever tag you feel like adding. So that is it, and after that you click on save. Now we are done with the settings here, so let's go to tools. Under the tools tab here, you click on that, and the microsite, this is the microsite of your station, so you have to do some adjustment and settings over here so that it looks professional. So here, when you come here, you have your radio station's link over here. This link, you can copy it and send it to whoever you want to listen to the radio. You can copy the link and send it to the person, or maybe you can post this link to your Twitter account, or maybe your Facebook account, or whatever, for people to know that you are having a radio station or an online radio station, and then they will be listening to, they will log on to it and start listening to it. And here you can visit the station here, so you can see this is our station. This is our station, Pink Flag Radio. Now we don't have anything on the station, so we can't be able to listen to anything here. So let's go back here and do some settings over here. So now for the logo, it is already here. Now background, if you like, you can leave it like this, or if you like to, you can upload your own background. So for me, I'll upload my own background here, and I'll choose this one, and this is the background image I'm using. And after that, you click on save, and you move ahead, and under the profile, station profile, you are supposed to put in or write everything about the station. So here you can write, for me I'm writing, this is an online radio from Ghana. So this is the simplest description I can give the radio station. And here the content type is general, my country is Ghana, and I'm in Kumasi, so I'll type in Kumasi, and the language of the station, if it is Akan, you can choose Akan, whatever language that you feel like choosing. And if it is English too, you can choose English. So the English, which type of English do you want? If it is US, for me I'll go by UK. So that is it, and I'll add another language, which is Akan. I'll add Akan to it, and I'll save it. Then I'll go to the next form. The next form here, you can give your link to maybe your PayPal account or something like that for people to donate to your account to help you, to motivate you grow the station. So here you put in your PayPal link here and you are good to go. So that one too is there. So under the website, maybe you have a website and you want to show people that you have a website. So here you upload the website image, the image of your website, and then the name of the website, and then here you put in the link to your website. So for me, I don't have website now, so I will leave that one. And when you come to the social section here, you are supposed to add here your social media handles over here. Here you have YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and the rest. So you just add them here. So I can add facebook.com here, and here you add everything. After that you save. After that you save it and you move ahead to announcement, and here you can make an announcement and your listeners will just see it. And this is the area you can you can scan this code and it will send you to Play Store so that you download the app that you'll be using in playing your thing. But without the app, you can use the link to listen to the radio station just straight up like that. So after that, now that we are done with the the micro settings and the rest, now we are supposed to upload some audios so that the station wouldn't be adamant or something like that. Okay, so here you come to auto DJ. So the auto DJ, and we click on auto DJ. Here we don't have anything here because we haven't uploaded anything. Here it allows you to upload music or audio sounds over here, so that whenever someone logs on to your radio station, the person will have something to listen to, either music or whatever. The person will have to listen to something. So you upload audios here. So let me try and see if I can have some audios to upload here. You click on browse and let me go to my downloads and go to music, and then select these two music here, these two audios here, and then let me click on upload. So it will upload here. It will take a little bit of time, but it will upload. Now our audios has uploaded correctly, and it is done. So we click on save to playlist. Now we are saving. Now it is saved to the playlist. So now you can hear it playing. So now that we have finished uploading our video, our audios, now under the tools here, we are done with the audio or auto DJ. So now we are supposed to go to the show. Here you can create a show for your radio station. You can create a lot of shows for your radio station, and maybe if you've created a show already, you can import it here. And let's come to widget over here. This widget area gives you an opportunity to add your radio to your website. Yes, it gives you the opportunity to add your radio to your website by copying this HTML tags over here and pasting it inside your website, and you are good to go. You have this logo or this feature on your website, and it will start whenever someone clicks on it, it will start playing like this, as you can see. So you have option of choosing a lot of from different type of sizes. You have small size, medium size, large size, and then customization. You can customize it based on your liking. So the medium size is like this, and then you go to the large size, which is like this. So this is how the large size is, and then you can customize it based on the way you like it to be. So this one too, here you can customize it, maybe 500 or maybe 800, like this, and it will be like this. After you are done with your settings, you just come here and copy this HTML tags, and then go paste it on your website, and you are good to go. So this station or this website gives you the opportunity to create online radio station for free without paying anything. For free. It's for free and free forever. So when you come to the last option here, which is call to listen, you have an option of putting in a number so that your listeners can call that number and just listen to your radio from their phone, just like that. So you can do that by going to subscribe, and you set all the options you feel like setting over here, and after that you are good to go. So this is the simplest way of creating online radio in Ghana for free in 2022. Yes, for free in 2022, and it works on phones too. It is very, very simple on phone, and you can put the link inside any browser and it will work for you. Also, you can go to Play Store and download their app. Yes, you can download a Zeno app over there, and you search for your radio station, and you listen to the radio station from your phone, and it is very, very simple like that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, as well share the video for it to reach someone who also needs to watch the video. Maybe it will help that person. Thank you once again for watching. Until we meet again, bye bye.